I salute all the veterans. Because of you, we are able to have our freedom, the freedom that we have today. The Vietnam War is not a favorable part of our history, and it's been tough for all of us, whether you're American, Hmong, or Lao. I was old enough to remember and experience the turmoil in the first 10 years of my life, for I was born in Long Chang, the Central Operation American Secret Operation in Laos. I saw my people change from nomadic farmer into efficient warrior of the modern day era. I don't favor war, but I'm proud of the humility and heroism of my Hmong and Lao people. The Vietnam War took away so many lives, including young Hmong and young Lao soldiers, American GIs, and many who came to Laos under a clandestine operation. We will remember them with this memorial. That's why we are here to make it happen. I'm honored that you, Hmong and Lao veteran, chose me as your chief author of the Senate bill to get this memorial built. Thank you. I learned so much from you within the last 9 months in regarding to pride, dignity, and determination. I watched you in the Senate committee remain committed to your share of matched dollars instead of taking full government support. And even when our governor, Mark Dayton, challenged you in December, said that you have to raise half of the amount, $75,000, by the end of the year, you made it happen within a couple of weeks. You were able to raise $90,000 more. So now, we nearly reached our mark of $150,000. I'm sure that by the end of today, we will get that amount. And as a state senator, I already did my part in getting the bill passed in various committees and put it in bonding bill. And by May or even sooner, we will hear that this bill will be passed. But as a Hmong person, Hmong individual, born in the war-torn Laos, seeing all your comrades, all your friends, many of you have passed away, and I was in tears. I saw Lilu crash his plane. I was in tears. When you laugh, I laugh with you. When you cry, I cry with you. As a Hmong person, I recommitted and I redonated $1,000 to this project, and more will become. More will follow. And this memorial is not just a Hmong project or a Lao project. This memorial is for all of us, for all Minnesotans, for all Americans. And I know that a person that I met at the Capitol, one of the person I met at the Capitol couldn't be here today, Sergeant Bill Strinsky. He couldn't be here today. He made sure that I passed this check to you, to the coordinator. So I want to give the honor to pass this check to you. And I know that my House member, Representative Tim Mahoney, will be here later too. He want to drop out a check as well. So this is not about a Hmong project and only Hmong or Lao should contribute, but everybody contribute.